softwares. So again, raise your hands like if you use any of these softwares. The most common and the most like popular software we use for video editing is Adobe Premiere Pro, because Adobe Premiere Pro is actually used in industrial standards places as well, and it has been a very, it's a relic actually. It's very old, and people really use it very much. And then we have Adobe After Effects. So if we actually look at the difference between these two softwares is, in Premiere Pro we edit raw videos. Raw videos in the sense like we record videos and then we import it to this software and edit it. In After Effects, it's much more complex. We actually, honestly, After Effects is adding effects to videos. You get one video and you can do some things like that. Imagine my hand is moving like this, and you can track my hand, and you can put something like a text, and the text is moving with my hand. So that is called tracking. It can be done by After Effects as well. You can play with shapes, like you draw a shape and you can move it there, you can morph it, you can, like if you want to create nice titles, you can place a title and add effects and animate it. So it's called kinetic typography. If you have seen advertisements, you have seen text popping up like here, text appearing in a very dynamic way. That's done by After Effects. But what is Avid? Avid. Avid is actually the industry software used to edit films. Many films you have seen has been edited by Avid, and it is actually very complex software. And if you can learn this and you want to progress into filmmaking, you should learn Avid. I know when you're working with softwares like this, it can be very hard to learn them, and it can be very tiring because you might be wanting to edit simple videos. Like like if you can raise your hands, who wants to learn video editing to edit simple videos, maybe videos for Instagram or personal? Okay, we have quite a number of people. Yeah, so I'm going to show you some softwares that are very easy to use. And these are it. The most easy to use softwares are actually DaVinci Resolve, Canva, and CapCut. DaVinci Resolve is actually in the level of Premiere Pro and After Effects as well. It is quite complex, but the catch here is it's free. You don't have to pay a cent. You can download it, and if you think you are going into higher places, you are like making a lot of money out of it, you can purchase the Pro version. But DaVinci Resolve is a free software, and you can actually edit very complex and very high-end animations and videos using DaVinci Resolve. It is sometimes better than Premiere Pro. In Premiere Pro, color grading is a bit hard, but in DaVinci Resolve, it's very easy. And some people actually edit the video in Premiere Pro and color grade in DaVinci just because of its perk. Then we have Canva. So Canva is actually used mainly for graphic design, but you can edit very simple videos there as well. For example, I was working in a music, like I was editing a music video for a client of mine, and I used stock footage, and he sent me the video back, the video edited, and said, "Look, I had lyrics, and it was very good. The lyrics were very well, and he used Canva. He just put my video on the bottom, and in the top layer he put some text and animated it, like put some text effects in Canva and delivered. So that's a very creative approach. But if you want easy to use and with high capacities, high like animation stuff, definitely use CapCut. Have you ever heard of CapCut? How many of you have heard of CapCut? Good, good. Ah, okay. We have quite a number of people, about five. So CapCut is actually, it's not even teachable, it's very user friendly. And I'm going to do a practical session, and if you can actually catch on with CapCut as well. I'm doing it in Premiere Pro, but you can understand CapCut as well when I do that. So there are many effects, many good like animations, and you can do everything in CapCut. It's free. And if you really want to start video editing, and if you want to do it for simple purposes, definitely use CapCut.